Today is July 24th and we're going to harvest the potatoes. No stepping, Bobby. So my husband dumped out all of the soil and we're just going to basically go through it and pick out the potatoes. Hopefully we have some, and then I have my bucket here for whatever we find. So we got a nice sized potato there. And I'm just gonna move the bucket closer to you so you don't have to throw it. We have a lot of little potatoes. I'm sure if we waited a little bit longer, they probably would have gotten bigger. But then again, we wouldn't know. So that's all the potatoes that we got out of this. So, which isn't a lot, especially with the amount of soil that we have here. But I guess for next year we'll just do it in something that's taller, so that way we can keep having the plants grow up to get a better yield on potatoes. So that is our potato plants, and that's all they yielded were these small little potatoes. So next year I guess we'll wait a little bit longer, as well as making the pile taller.